Choux Pastry Recipe. Perfect for cream puffs or eclairs. The following recipe is one of the easiest to prepare. In a bowl, heat 2 cups of water, 2 sticks or 227 grams of unsalted butter cut in cubes, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it boil until the butter is completely diluted. When it boils, remove from the heat and add 300 grams of all-purpose flour previously sifted in one go. Stir constantly until flour is well incorporated. The mixture forms a ball and begins to pull away from the sides of the bowl. Make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture and that it is homogeneous. Let it cool a little before adding the eggs. When the mixture is lukewarm, add the eggs one at a time. Beat the egg first so that it is better incorporated. The amount to add depends on the size of the eggs. Do not add the next egg until the previous one is well mixed. The larger the amount of dough, the heavier it is to mix. The incorporation of the eggs can also be done in a stand mixer using the bread whisk. So far I have added 4 jumbo eggs, which equals 250 grams. Six eggs equals approximately 375 grams, and that is enough. At this point the dough is soft, smooth in texture and looks shiny. It can also be recognized when a portion drops slowly and forms a peak that collapses immediately. Use a piping bag with the nozzle adapter or the large round tip number 1A. Form the dough balls onto parchment paper lined sheets. With an upward motion, form the balls. Leave enough space between each ball so that they do not stick together during baking. This is the ideal point for the dough because if it is softer, the balls do not form well. On the contrary, if the dough is hard, the balls will be hard and very dry. Press down all peaks with damp fingers to prevent them from getting too toasted or burned. Preheat the oven to 225 degrees centigrade or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat of the oven will cause the balls to develop quickly. 10 minutes later, lower the temperature to 185 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit to dry and toast. They took 35 minutes to bake. Larger sizes should be baked at a lower temperature. The quantity prepared resulted in 120 units of this size.